This is without a doubt the best running Cadillac I've ever owned, maybe even seen. It's got a 425. I have just about run this thing to death. Fenders dashed, hood flapped over and smashed the windshield. I took the doors off to make it my garbage scow. Chopped the roof off it. All the plastics rotted away from being out in the sun for years. Whatever you can do wrong to a car, I probably did to this one. That fender came off at about 40 miles an hour going across the field. So, anyway, cut the other half of the seat out so I can carry more garbage. Back seat gone. Batteries mounted inside. I just leave it covered like that. I think the only thing I did, I did a couple things. Did a water pump, added a fuel system because the tank rotted out. I just used a Holly pump I had, and that's I forget whether it's a lawnmower or a go-kart I tore it off of. Okay, I leave my old Husky lid on there just to keep the rain off the carburetor. Well, there you go. You just walk over. Watch this. I used it this morning to move some stuff around. It runs so good I can't tell you. I keep a little spare transmission fluid. Never really goes through any oil. I figured out what I'm going to do over the winter. I'm going to take the body off it, and after the body comes off, I'm going to build a frame and I'm going to make it a drive it through the woods car. Everybody throws these things away. I just can't seem to do that. The body seems to hit on everything. Especially after I put the big tires on. I put these great big tires on it. I got some bigger ones, but I just want to get through the summer and come probably late fall, early December, early winter rather. I'm going to make it a through the woods car. You know, a brush car. Everybody runs out and buys those side-by-sides. I'm going to make this a real heap with a roll bar. It runs so good. If I stand on it, it'll just go, go, go. Like I said, I've done about everything wrong I could do to this car, and it won't die on me. So, anyway, I thought I would post it, show you. Stop throwing your cars away. There's a lot of good stuff out there you could make out of it. Thanks for watching.